Look that what we are doing in VIP group of paid spike group, we're using the system. The first signal we posted by Boom 300, and look, here is the spike. And again, after a few minutes, we got one more signal on system. We posted. Look here again, spike. Again, we received a signal on system. Look here by Boom 300 again, and also a signal of Crash 300. And look here, this is the system, Crash 300 paid as a spike. And also, you guys can look here, Boom 300, and this signal paid us. Here you guys can see a big spike with 3 candles. You can count these 3 candles, okay? And we made it again. We posted this signal in our group. Look here, Boom 300. Here is the Boom 300. Here is a sell with Crash 300. So this is what we are doing with our profitable spike trading system, and what's the accuracy using the system. Let's get started and go and watch the video. Let me show you guys live on my screen actually what the system is working and how actually the system is beating the market. I recorded the video for you guys to show you the live spike detector. I will open the camera. Here is my camera option. Look here, guys. Thank you.